Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ghuleh, or otherwise known as Becca. Today, as you can see by the title, we are doing another natural look with the Body Shop palette, the Bold as Nature palette. I keep forgetting what it's called. I did do a look, my last look was with this one, and this one is again obviously with the palette. Thought I'd do a couple of looks with it to like really get a feel with it, use different colours, use like doing a different kind of style. So yeah, I thought that I would show you all how I got this look today. So if you're intrigued, then please just keep watching. Okay, so I have already done my brows, I've primed my face with the Body Collection Pore Minimising Primer, and I have primed my eye with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I'm going to be doing a rounded shape, I think, this time with the Body Shop palette. I'm going to be using more of the pinky tones in it. Yeah, I've literally only just finished, like filmed my last video, taken my makeup off, washed my face, and now filming this one, and my eyes are feeling like irritated. So hopefully that won't cause an issue. But let us get on with it. I think first of all I'm going to take a brush, if I can find one. I'm going to take this dark pinky shade here, and I'm gonna kind of pack that on all around the outer corner as much as I can in a rounded shape, and then into the crease. And then down into the inner corner. And then I'm going to take a small fluffy brush, and I'm going to take that lighter pink and I'm going to half on and half off, just kind of blend that around the darker shade. All the way around where we've done that. And then we're going to take this black and I just want to put that right at the outer corner. And then we're going to go back in with that darker pink, and we're going to deepen this back up again because that lighter one's kind of just covered it all, and the black brings in some depth. And then we're going to go back in with that lighter shade pink, and we're going to go back around the edges and just soften up very lightly, because this is a very light, much lighter shade, and it will take away that depth that we've just gone and put in. I want to go in with this really gorgeous silver shade here. I'm not going to cut the crease because I'm trying to do like an easy kind of beginner look with this palette. So I'm just going to try and place it where I want it, and hopefully it will go over this fine. It is very crumbly. It's very dry. It's if it was like more of a metallic, like more of a wet formula, I think it would be better, but it's quite powdery, so it's not really easy to work with, and I'm getting glitter everywhere on my face. I think this shadow's like my least favourite in the palette. It's annoying to work with. It's kind of there now, isn't it? I can't really do much about that. I'm going to take this shade here, this nice little one, and I'm going to put that up here at the edge. And just kind of blend that in. A kind of like a diagonal shape. Just kind of like that. Kind of try and cover up that silver a little bit, but leave a tiny bit, because I do not like that silver. Just leave a tiny little streak of it. I'm going to go back in with the black and try and deepen it up again, because I'm kind of losing all the depth. And then back in with the darker pink. And just gently go around that again. And then the lighter pink just once more, and then I'll go off and do my base. Clean up all this fallout from that silver glitter first, and then do my base. Okay, my base is all finished, using pretty much all Body Collection products, because I am loving it, other than my spots obviously. But yeah, again, still loving the Body Collection stuff that I got from Ghulehs. Love it, absolutely love it. Love the base products, beautiful. But now onto the Body Shop palette, we're back to doing the under eye. Yeah, I'm probably just going to run the same colours but just under the bottom. Keep it really simple. Get this hair off of my face. Yeah, so I'm going to start off with a black, and I'm going to run that as close to the lashes as possible. Oh, I just got a lash in my actual eye. Don't do that. Oh, on my waterline I'm using the MIX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, because if you've watched my videos before you will know I love a white waterline. And then kind of connect that up there to where we did the black at the outer corner. And then we'll use that darker pink. And we'll just run that along, half on, half off the black. Blend it out a bit. Meet it up towards the other shadow, keeping a circular shape as much as possible. And then on a fluffier brush, my small fluffy brush, where is it? We'll take that lighter pink and where I put my base on, I'll smoke this out some more. And then drag it underneath. Make it a bit smoky. And then for the underbrow highlight, I'm going to use this colour, Shimmery White. Going to place that underneath there, and a little shine there. And I'm going to do the same for the inner corner. I'm just going to take more of that reddy shade, and I'm going to pack that on a bit more. I'm just going to totally cover that silver at this point, because I much prefer how this looks with this shimmer. The silver was a bad idea. I feel like this looks a lot better. And yeah, that's literally pretty much it. It's now just mascara and lips, so I'll be back for that. Okay, so here we are at the end of the look. My lipstick is Jeffree Star Scorpio from the Bloodlust Lip Vault. Yeah, I think I'm definitely happier with this look compared to the other one. This is natural, like neutral-ish for me, but still more pinky, purpley, grungy, which is definitely more my style. Browns aren't really my thing, but yeah, it was still enjoyable to do something out of my comfort zone anyway. And this is still pretty, and it took me like no time at all, like whatsoever. I think it's taken me like 20 minutes. So yeah, and I think this lipstick really does go with the shades of the shades I used anyway. Yeah, the one shade that I didn't like that I've used so far was the silver shimmery thing in it. It's not very nice to work with at all. I really didn't like it. It just kind of goes away and it just leaves glitter all over your face, but it doesn't really stay on the eye. Yeah, it's dry, it's not very nice to work with, but the red plummy shimmer that I put on the lid afterwards was much nicer. Overall, formula wise, it's okay. It's not like the best I've used, obviously. I definitely have way better formulas. They do blend together, but they do kind of blend away, if you know what I mean. Like, I kept having to deepen it up because the shadows kept like blending away into like nothing. But I'm still happy with how this has turned out. I still think that I've managed to do really nice looks with it, and I'm sure other people have managed to do really nice looks with it as well. Yeah, I think overall it's okay. But yeah, I'm happy with how my makeup's turned out today. I think it's very nice. My base is obviously the Body Collection from Ghulehs. I'm always happy when I use that. I think it looks very, very nice on my skin. I used the Primark mascara as well. I definitely rate that more than the Body Collection one. But yeah, other than that, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are pleased with this look. Let me know what you think about it, and let me know what you think about these more natural looks that I'm doing. Yeah, I hope you're having a good week, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!